Ibulao River. One of Ifugao's prime rivers originates from the municipalities of Hungduan and Kiangan and snakes 27.704 kilometers through the municipalities of Kiangan, Lagawe, and Lamut. It is born from the convergence of freshwater streams and rivers, namely the Umalbong River, Ambangal Brook, Mongkilong Brook, Lagawe River, Sapao River, and Tawang River. Ibulao River has 9,340.137 hectare drainage area and a runoff rate of 32.946 cubic meters per second.
So we have mobilized local solutions to ensure water supply by connecting stakeholders, building agreements, providing technical capacity, water monitoring system, and enable communities to understand why they have to take action.
The efforts for the revitalization of the Ibulao River would not be sustained without the cooperation of stakeholders in the host communities. A major consideration is the solid waste management system institutionalized by the local government units, which components include the approved 10-year solid waste management plan, implementation of ordinances, a scheme for the collection of garbage, presence of materials recovery facilities, and identification of engineered sanitary landfill. For the part of stakeholders, partnerships were sustained, resulting to more active communities. People are provided with economic opportunities while contributing to the environment. River management councils and similar organizations actively take part in setting in motion innovative and effective river management techniques. And while the government continues to invest in innovation, other stakeholders, particularly the public, should do their part in heightening education and participation.